What's up, guys? Today I'm doing the unboxing of my new Empire X that I won on the auction on Sunday, August the 4th. It arrived here on Friday the 9th. Here it is, guys. Invoice from nsgear.com. Some stickers. I already kind of opened it up earlier. Here, just open the plastic up so you guys can see. Here's the CD. There's the manual. Some instructions here. What's this? Okay. Check it out. Here it is, guys. Carbon fiber. Limited edition. Nice gun. Nice gun. Let's set it to the side. What's this? Look under here. Complete barrel. There you go. Two inserts. 685, 675. Little kit, O-ring kit. Here it is. Thank you, guys. Thanks again, Mike. Markerbids.com. See you soon.